Expiration. We need to eliminate these special tax breaks in the tax code that reward special interests.
Could you please give me an encore with the yawning?
Who get to four-year college degrees, but those who compete for job training and trades and programs. Look, guys, we can do all of it. We need to eliminate these special tax breaks in the tax code that reward special interests who get to four-year college degrees, but those who compete for job training and trades and programs. Look, guys, we can do all of it.
You know what the best part of Joe Biden's kickoff campaign speech in Pittsburgh yesterday? It was incredibly boring, and it sounded like it was a campaign speech from about a century ago. But the best part was that young guy with the glasses. You'll see him on the screen. We're going to analyze him. He obviously incredibly bored and had a couple of yawning fits. So take a look. He's on the, as I said, on the right side of the screen.
Hello, folks. My name Thank you. My name is Joe Biden, and I am Joe Biden. I want to thank Rich Fitzgerald, the county executive, Allegheny County executive, for being here, and Mayor Nesby, city of Duquesne, is here as well. All right, you're here somewhere, Mayor. I got to see it. An International Firefighters General President and my friend for a long, long time. One of the guys in our unions that, as they say, along with the Teamsters, brung me to the dance when I started.
Oh, we're just a couple of minutes into the speech. Please, when does it end? When does it end?
And also a real union that helped me in the very, very beginning of my career, and I've had great respect for, the United Steelworkers. Bobby Mack McCullough, president.
Maybe these fidget exercises will help me make it to the end.
PC, stop the union busting. Stop. Stop trying to keep your workers organized. And I want you to know, UNPC workers, I am with you. I have your back, and if I'm president, I will fight like the devil to make sure you are not blocked. Unions are not blocked unfairly by this.
What? Stop the union busting? What? Did I just wake up in the middle of a 1936 presidential campaign?
It's about your dignity. It's about respect. It's about your place in the community. It's about being able to look at your kid and say, honey, it's going to be okay, and mean it. But folks, too many people.
Maybe if I do more of these fidget exercises, it'll help me make it through this boring nightmare.
Education has skyrocketed so badly, and access is so difficult. Folks, dignity. Immanuel Kant, the philosopher, said dignity, the definition of dignity, is that people should never be treated as a means to an end, but an end in themselves. That's how today's corporate culture works. CEOs in this administration see it a different way. They see workers as just a means to an end, not the end in them.
Is there an emergency escape around here? Or over there? Or maybe it's over there? Oh, damn, I'm trapped.
American energy makes us independent. The U.S. has more great research universities where all these major breakthroughs come from than all the rest of the world combined. No other nation in the world can match us. We can bring and be a positive force for everyone. Folks, nothing's beyond our capacity. The only thing that can tear America apart is America itself. But folks, everybody knows who Donald Trump is. And I believe and hope They know who we are. We have to let them know who we are. We Democrats and we independents who have the same view have to choose.
Please, Joe, could you finally wind this up? I'm just plain bored to death. Oh.
Not a single thing. So God bless you all and may God protect our troops. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, thank God. Thank God it's finally over. I'm so happy. Ah.
We need to eliminate these special tax breaks in the tax code that reward special interests who get to four-year college degrees, but those who compete for job training and trades and programs. Look, guys, we can do all of it.